How to assemble a rear wheel with automatic system. Disconnect the automatic cable by simply pulling the connector. Remove both axle nuts and non-turn washers. Drop the rear wheel and remove the belt from the front chainring, then guide it over the hub interface. To assemble the rear wheel in the bike, first put the belt on the rear sprocket, then on the front. Slide the wheel into the dropout and mount the non-turn washers as well as axle nuts. Tighten the axle nuts to 30 to 40 Nm. Reconnect the automatic cable, the logo on the connector should be facing up. Now, you're all set.